Okay, this is a famous painting by Botticelli. The greatest point of contrast is probably in here, but there's also great contrast here. Contrast up here, contrast over here. Obviously, the point of interest in terms of the what we might call the left brain point of interest is here, but we are drawn away from this by contrast here, contrast over here. And this is a nice movement from dark to light. Okay, this is another fairly famous painting by Peter Bruegel. Greatest point of contrast is here. There's also contrast here and here. Our story seems to focus here. What I call the story, or the left brain, what is it question, is kind of here. But Bruegel does a great job of pulling us away from here and having activity here to get us to move around. So he knows we can't just stay here or we're in trouble. This is Vermeer, reflecting a little bit. But this is an example where the greatest point of contrast and the story, left brain, right brain, point of interest is right here. But Vermeer does a good job of leading us out, little steps, actually stepping stones that take us out and lead us into the outer edge of the painting. This is Goya's painting, and the greatest point of contrast is right here, right around here, and the point of interest. Left brain, right brain, point of interest is here. He tries to get us to move out here, but this is actually, and compositionally, this is not a good painting. Historically, of course, it's a great painting, but in terms of just a really well composed work of art, it's really not very strong. This is Gauguin. This is a wonderfully designed painting in terms of what I'm calling left brain, right brain. The point of interest, or the story center, is here. There's an angel, Jacob wrestling with the angel, but points of contrast are really strong here, and there's activity carrying us away from this point, so we're led away. It's actually kind of a figure eight composition. This is Picasso. Picasso was, for the most part, a great designer, great understanding. He's leading us away from the obvious kind of center of interest, but there's powerful activity down here, and there's activity way out here. There's contrast here, so he does all kinds of things to lead us away from the center. If we go into Mondrian, just pure abstract, we move from dominant shape, in this case the red, then we move from the blue down to the blue, then the yellow, and then we go from large white, medium, smaller white to small. This is one movement, but it's very musical actually. It kind of goes bum, 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 and then bum, 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 bum. Red, blue, yellow, white, 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 white. And look at the movement there. The movement is we're moving this way, over here, then we move this way and back. We move here, over here, here, move here, and then back. That really is, for such a simple abstract painting, it's the genius of the placement and the size of these shapes and colors that make this work.